If you want to find the running coach feature on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, then first of all, we're going to swipe up on the watch face, and then you need to find the Samsung Health app. And then in here, among all of these different health features, you might be able to find the running coach option. But in case you don't actually have it, there is a very simple fix. You just have to scroll all the way down and go to Edit on Phone. You will open the Samsung Health app on your phone. And what you need to do is here on the home screen, you want to tap on this plus button. Of course, we'll have the editor of the home screen. So you want to use this plus button, and then we want to choose activity. And then here you should be able to find the running coach feature. You want to add a widget over here to the home screen, and then you can exit the editor. And now if we go back to the Samsung Health app on our smartwatch, then you should be able to find the running coach option. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.